Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to make your control center transparent on this device. So this control center is transparent, right? You can see at the bottom side, you can see. If you go to settings, then again open the control center, you can see it is transparent. So let me show you how to enable this one. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option accessibility. Tap on display and text size. Here you can see the option reduce transparency. Now this is disabled. Turn on this one. If you turn on this one, if you go to the control center, now you can see this is more transparent. So to make the control center transparent, turn off this one. Go to control center. Now you can see it is transparent. So simply in this way we can enable you can make that control center transparent on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.